Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm Charles Howard. This is your Barber School Minute. The question asked today is, how long will it take for my hairline to grow back after my barber messed it up? It sucks. When you notice that the hairline has been taken back too far, I get it. It can be just the corner or even the whole hairline. Hair grows about a ½ inch a month, and as you age, your hairline naturally starts to recede in your late teens and early 20s. On average, it takes about 2 weeks to 4 weeks for it to grow back. Be patient. We all go through it. If it gets too consistent, then it may be time for a new barber. I'm Charles Howard. This is your Barber School Minute.